Imagine having an entire month's content planned for you. No brainstorming, no stress, no wasted time. Ganda nun, di ba? With this IntelliGuide, you just enter your product and industry and AI does the rest. Instantly and for free. Let's face it, content planning for your social media accounts can feel like a full-time job. Finding fresh ideas, staying consistent, and making sure your posts resonate takes hours and hours, di ba? And for many business owners and marketers, it's the first thing that falls behind when things get busy. Tama ba? You know, that's why I built this IntelliGuide for you. And this tool changes the game by giving you a full, customized 30-day content plan in less than 60 seconds. Hindi ka man lang magpapawisan. Yes, you heard it right. 1 minute, 1 click, and less possibilities. And most importantly, libre pa. Let's see it in action. Let's say you're selling a whitening soap. Typing whitening soap for teens into the product field and then putting in product industry. The key is to be as descriptive as you can when entering your product so that our AI will be able to give you more personalized ideas. And then you hit generate and here's what you will get in a few seconds. Day-by-day content plan for the next 30 days. Grabe, di ba? Imagine nyo ito. Ito yung day 1, day 2, day 5, etc. So whether it's tips to engage your audience, trivia about your brand, or subtle promotions, IntelliGuide has you covered. And then you can just press this email this to me button para you have a copy in your email. So whether you are in retail, service, B2B, B2C, or any other industry, our AI will personalize the strategies for you. And think about what this means for your business, diba? Hours and hours of saved time. And then a clear strategy that keeps your brand visible and more freedom to focus on what you do best. And that is running your business. So, are you ready to transform your content game this 2025? Visit olearn.ai now and try our IntelliGuide for yourself for free. Just input the code Y10012. And then if it's your first time, you might be asked to input your name and email. Make sure you put your most active email so you can receive the personalized content strategy straight to your inbox. And then after that, you'll be able to input your details just like what I showed earlier. By the way, I'm Jerry, the founder of AI Ready Pilipinas. My mission is to help entrepreneurs and professionals like you embrace the AI revolution with practical, easy to follow, and no-nonsense strategies. So if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor. Leave a comment below and share this video. Let's spread the word and help more people get AI ready. And one last thing, are you a member of the AI Ready Pilipinas community? Kung hindi pa, head over to aiready.ph and join our growing movement completely for free. Together, we can prepare for the future, embrace innovation, and lead the way. Let's be AI Ready Pilipinas.